Remember these? Unfortunately, they didn't work out. Welcome to allotment 25. Sadly, this has been an epic failure. I've spoken to my neighbour, I've told her the story, and I've said next year I'll try harder. We had a bit of an accident with the sunflower. The wind blew that bench over, damaged the plant. So me and Mabsy, we've had to do some remedial work. Keep an eye on that one. See what happens. Take a look at the holes, see how they're getting on. Wow, flowering beautifully. Check this out. Look at these flowers. They're everywhere. Beautiful. What I might do is I might take some off today. Take them home. Everywhere. Oh my god, wow. Look at that, beautiful. Because I know Bilkis will be able to cook them. Strawberries are looking good too. I can see there's a few red ones here. Ready to come off, ready to be eaten. Oh, there's another one there. Wow, you know what? It's quite a lot. Look at that one. There's more at the top growing. There's a lot of weed. I think I need to clear all of this up. But look, there's another one here. Any more? Oh wow. Look, a few more. A few more. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take some of this stuff off. Straight away, I can see there's one ready. There you go. A few more that are almost ready, but I think today I'll take this one. Plenty of broad greens as well. Yeah, these are looking good, so I'll pick a few of these. And once again, what I'll do is I'll share some of this harvest with my viewers as appreciation. When cutting these flowers, I need to make sure I don't disturb the actual hodus. They're quite sensitive, so oh, there's a bee in there, but okay, let's go for it. There you go, look at that, beautiful. I'll take a few more of them, see what we can do at home. Can I get in there? There you go, can you see, guys? Yeah, that's a lot better. Two. What I'll do one more, and then I'll just carry on and I'll show you the end result. You know, this looks alright. There you go. Beautiful. Right, give me a second, I'll be right back. Look at these flowers. Aren't they beautiful? Straight from there to here. Gonna take them home. Gonna go and get some strawberries and some of the courgettes and broad beans as well. So I'll see you in a second. I've done all my picking for today. As you can see, I've got some lovely red juicy strawberries, lovely marrow or a courgette. You can tell me in the comments what it is. Judging by the size of it, it's hard to tell. Got some broad greens as well, and to finish it off, lovely beautiful flowers from the hodu plants. As always guys, thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye.